Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm taking my channel to a whole new weeb level because this is a package of probably the most weeaboo stuff that I've ever shown to you guys. Not that there's anything wrong with loving Japan and loving all the anime and manga stuff that you guys love and I love too, but this is a package sent to me from Japan Toys. They're an online shop. They're based in Australia, so if you want to check them out, the link is down below, those of you guys living in Australia anyway. They do sell model kits and stuff like that as well, but they also sell a bunch of figures and things like that from Japan. You can also find like Nendoroid, I think Figma and other things like that too. But given the choice of what I wanted from their shop, I opted for some cutie girl figures, so let's check it out. As you can see from the background, I have more than enough model kits, so I wanted to mix it up, so get something a little bit different. So we have this set of 6 figures, EXQ series of Love Live figures. Alright, so like here for example, here's this one is her. I forget the names of them. Honestly, I've never watched Love Live. I know what it is just because it's such a big famous thing in Japan. But personally, I just thought that these figures look cool. I looked at some other like Love Live figures and they're like way not my style at all. But I guess this like EXQ series, they're like in just kind of more casual, normal looking clothes. So I thought they looked pretty nice. There's another one here. I think what I might as well do is take all these out of the box and line them up and show you guys. So hang on just a minute. Alright, so here we go. Here's the whole set. At first, the guy was just going to send me a couple of them, and we were kind of deciding which ones I wanted. He only had a couple of them in stock, but he said he was going to be getting a few more in like a week later. So in the process of trying to decide which ones he was going to send me, he just kind of he's like, oh, I'll just send you the full set when we get the rest in. So awesome. So huge thank you to Japan Toys for sending me these. These are really cool. I'm going to take them out of the box now. I don't know if that if some people are about to freak out like, oh, it depreciates the value or something, but yeah, I want to see what they really look like out of the box. But before I do, man, you really have to give it up to Japan. Japan really knows how to do their package design, like book design, whenever you like going even to a bookstore in Japan, just all the book covers just look so good. You want to just buy all the books, you like don't even know what they are, but they all just look so nice. So the design work on the outside, and these too, like I said, this series of figures, I guess they're supposed to be in just like their more normal, like casual clothes. So they have like the photos, so like the casual backgrounds and stuff. So and just that simple white text over it. Just from a design perspective, man, I love these boxes. So whenever I get figures like this, I usually just throw the boxes away, but this is gonna be really hard not to like want to put these up on the wall or something too. And blah, there they are. Alright, so out of the box, these are quite large actually, a little bit bigger than I expected. So there's a 1/44 scale Gundam kit there for comparisons. You can see they're pretty tall, quite large, and really super nicely painted. Not including the base, just the figures themselves are around 22 centimeters tall, so yeah, gonna be larger than, even taller than most master grades. So here's a look around at each of them individually. I gotta say, it strikes me a little bit kind of like Spice Girls kind of vibe, but I'm sure this is just kind of a thing with like idol groups in Japan, and that would kind of carry over into this since this is an anime about an idol group, kind of, I want to say. Like I said, I've never seen it before, but that's my guess, just based on the very little imagery that I know of it. But there's like the sporty one, a little bit nerdy one, like the cutie one, and like the little more mature one, and like kind of casual, like kind of street wearing kind of girl there with the beanie. A little H3H3 tip of the beanie there to that one. That one's actually probably my favorite one. That was the one that I liked first right off the bat. But like I said, all the detail painting on them is all really super nice. So these are some really nice display kits if you're a fan of the series, or if you're just kind of a fan of just cool girl figures. I feel like you guys have been seeing a little bit influx of this sort of thing here on my channel over the past couple months. It's not a lot, but I'm sure it's got you guys thinking a little bit about like why is getting like more of this kind of stuff lately. It's probably just related more to the fact that I'm getting more and more interested in doing like GK resin kits and things like that, and a lot of them are of like girls and anime characters and things like that. So just kind of another thing to do of the hobby. I'm not getting tired of Gunpla by any means, but it will be fun like just to work on. It's just nice to work on other stuff aside from Gundam sometimes. So I think like the GK resin models of characters and things like that will be just a cool thing. So these aren't, of course, models that you have to build, but they're just along that similar kind of vein of like what the finished product is going to look like anyway. One criticism that I will make of Love Live as a series, despite not having ever watched it, is I think they need at least one girl in there with a little bit different skin tone, because they're all exactly the same skin tone. I'm not going to get like super politically correct and say they need one of every skin tone of the entire world, but I mean at least throw in like a little bit tan one, put like a Gouda in there if you guys know like Japanese Gouda girls that could try to fit one in their lineup or something. But anyway, these are really cool, and I really need to get some sort of like enclosed display stand because I just don't have one. And as I get more of these, and in the future if I actually start to like keep some of my finished painted Gunpla builds, I might want to just like actually keep these in some sort of case, so something I'll need to start to look into here pretty soon. But again, if you guys want to check out Japan Toys, check the link down below. If you guys are living in Australia anyway, check out their shop anyway. My experience dealing with them was cool, so I think their customer service is probably going to be pretty legit too. So check them out. Let me know what you guys think of the store down below. Have you shopped there before? Are you interested in shopping there? What was your experience like? Let me know. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.